Hi guys, Rick here at Rick's Free Builds and welcome back to this week's video. And today is the big one. Today is the day we are going to finally hopefully fix the diesel leak. I need to fix the rain sensor and wiper sensor, and also, more importantly, of course, is fix this rear view camera. So I bought a new kit from Powerful UK. It comes with the camera itself, and hopefully it will work. I haven't done this before, so it'll be a learning curve for everyone. Obviously I've watched a few YouTube videos, and I've also liked, commented and subscribed. So yeah, we're going to do that today. Hopefully it's a straightforward job. I'm joined by Archie again, the German Shepherd. And yeah, okay, hope you enjoyed the video. Let's go. So this is the kit from Powerful UK. So we've got a full reverse camera and connector and power connector, and that kind of is it. So how hard can it be? So yeah, we're going to do that. I also forgot, I bought some headlight brackets for the facelift of the car as well. So we're also going to do them today as well. So that's going to be a lot of fun. They also comes with these little kits, what's quite useful. It's like a self-tapping bolt, I believe. It's like a self-tapping bolt, I believe. So yeah, we're going to fit them today. And yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. Okay, right, let's get to it. What are you doing? Ready? Ready? So yeah, you might notice obviously the fluorescent stripes. For those of you who don't know, this car is used for roadside assistance. And yeah, so that's the whole reason why we kind of got it. So it's a good motor. It does exactly what it needs to do. Oh, the dog just shook the camera. So anyway, first off, we need to remove this without kind of taking off the stickers. Pop this out somehow without breaking it. So I really don't want to break the clips behind here. So I broke the clips on the silver one, and you can never get them right ever again. So I'm going to try and take a little bit more time just to do it properly, he says. Oh, okay, that's not supposed to. Okay, so that's given us access to this. This looks like the camera connector here, for the looks of things, and this handy little hole. Okay, so now we need to somehow remove the camera. I don't know how. Okay, he says, oh no, I've just taken off the lens. Oh look, it actually looks like someone's already tried to repair it at some stage. Bit of glue there. Huh. Right, so there was a screw at the back of this that was completely corroded and we could not get to. So this was the only option, annoyingly. Right, old one's destroyed. And so's my light. So, in next week's video, we'll be fitting a new light. No one will ever know, apart from me, you and thousands of other people. So the point is it works, so that's fine. Okay, so now I need to somehow feed this back through. Right, okay, new plan. So it's kind of become apparent that you need to take off the spoiler. So I've cracked the rear light for nothing. So yes, we can take off the spoiler now. Take off these screws to basically take off the spoiler. Now obviously I have cracked the rear light, but that wasn't obviously, no one means to crack the rear light, but it's not the end of the world because I am going to replace it with an all black one. That I have seen on various Chinese websites like AliExpress, something like that. So yeah, we're going to order that later on because now I have to. And yeah, let's take off this spoiler and do this rear camera. That doesn't look too bad, does it? I've had to kind of wedge mine in, but I mean, as long as we can see backwards, does it really matter? Put a load of type tool in there, be fine. Oh, I can't believe I cracked that light. But like I said, we'll get a new one ordered. I quite like the all black ones anyway, so come on, it wouldn't be a Rick's rebuild video if I didn't mess something up. And it is only my car, just saying. Right, let's head over to the car now and see if it actually works. Right, let's give it a test. No. Why does that not work? Right. Let's try again. Success! So yeah, I must not have it plugged in correctly. I don't know, it works though. Ta-da! Hooray! I can now see backwards. Good, that's one thing checked off the list. Okay, brilliant, that was a success. So now I need to put all this back together. And yeah, we'll just keep away from that connector, so obviously it's got some kind of water ingress going on. Right, let's put it all back together and move it on to the rain sensor, headlight sensor. Okay, hooray! So next up is the rain sensor. So we've got our second-hand replacement here. These are on pretty annoyingly. So let's see if we can do it without breaking my windshield. Okay, right, so that's the bit there. That's actually what we wanted to happen. But we need to take off that bit in there. So let's get a pick tool. They look the same part numbers, so let's give it a go. Right, okay, let's reposition the car, test that sensor. But we've still got that horrible beeping sound on the parking sensors, so we're going to load up the iCar soft now and hopefully that will tell us what sensor's going at it. Yep, the car's currently winking at us. Right, let's give that a try. Okay, so yeah, the parking sensor has gone bad. I'm guessing it's that silver one that I fitted. But let's hopefully get iCar software to figure out which one is exactly going wrong. Okay, yeah, so it looks like it is the right rear sensor that's playing up, which is the one I fitted. Okay, let's find out what's going on. Diagnostic says it is the right rear sensor, this one. So, let's open it up, see what's gone wrong. See if that little wiggle's made any difference. Yeah, seems to be working right now. Right, well that little wiggle seems to have done something. So let's flip this back in. Hopefully that'll be the end of that. We're getting there on the list. So we've done the rain sensor, we've done rear fog light, rear parking sensor, and rear reverse camera. Right guys, it's 6 o'clock in the morning and it's temporary repair time. We're driving home. I was actually cut up and I just slammed on the brakes and then accelerate hard and yeah, Now it's diesel leaking everywhere, so I need to try and temporary repair it because the thing still hasn't turned up by raw mail. First thing we need to do is a little snippety snip. Goodbye, zip tie. Must not lose this. Famous last words. Okay, my little box of O-rings. We'll put a new O-ring on it and see if that makes any difference, and a fresh new zip tie. Old O-ring coming up. You don't want to lose that though. So I just cracked it myself, but that is pretty, you know, done. It feels really hard. Okay, so we're going to go to our box of O-rings and choose the best one. Couldn't find an O-ring, but I did find these. These are for a Range Rover Sport 3.6, but it's going to be the same. I haven't got all the O-rings on these, so I'll have to cut probably one off. But yeah, so at least it'll fix it for now. Let's test it. It all seems secure, doesn't it? So I'm having a final check over it. Well, it's pretty secure down there. Let's see if it leaks. Yeah, I mean, so far so good. Leave it running for a little while just to see. Right, so there's a little bit of smoke coming from the engine, but that could just be where the old diesel's an oil, is burning off. So, to be extra safe, let's put the boroscope down there and see what we can find. I mean, I did, you know, rag it yesterday after being cut up. So I might have blown something. But these engines are supposed to be that rag. It's a V8, come on. Apart from a lot of diesel, can't really see anything obvious. Okay, so what I've done is I've tightened a couple of things and rev it up, see if we can spot any kind of smoke. Let's do that now. So far so good. So I remember the previous guy saying he had to do something with the turbo line, and when I ragged it yesterday, I think I properly loosened up the connector. So there's our diesel there. But right down there is a Jubilee clip with a hose. I've tightened that up. Yeah, so I tightened that up, and so far so good. I mean, I know this is only a temporary fix, but at least it's stopping leaking diesel. And then at some point, when the temporary fix fails, we'll do the real repair. For those of you who do kind of understand, and those of you who don't, so I've basically put a fuel hose, proper fuel hose, on both ends of the return line for the injector. So a lot of garages, some garages will just call that a fix. I wouldn't, but it's not like it's going to, you know, you get 5 miles on the road for probably like at least 5,000 to 10,000 miles. That'll probably still be fine. So yeah, right. I think, is that it for the day? Is that it? Okay, so I reckon where that hose has come loose, it's probably either, well, it's come loose basically because of how the car was driven yesterday. So yeah, but also I think what doesn't help was the diesel was dripping on that rubber hose as well. I don't know what kind of quality hose it is, who knows, but obviously diesel is going to, you know, slowly decay at that hose. So yeah, there we have it. So if ever guys, if you like watching these videos, please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you next week when we finally get the side lights sorted. Okay, have fun, nice week, and I'll see you Sunday. Cheers guys, take care, bye bye.